Big Tom with the Big Tom's van. Let's see if we get in here. Some of the wires are in the way. But if I can move those wires, you can see that we're pulling 59 watts right now. 59 watts is what we're pulling on the Instant Pot. The Instant Pot, we have 8 more minutes on a 20-minute countdown. It's a pressure cooker, Instant Pot. This is a 3-quart. I'm cooking beans and brown rice, and some mixed beans and brown rice for 20 minutes, and then it'll count up for 10 minutes as it's natural release. Recipes say NR, that's natural release, and then we'll release the rest of the steam. Be done. You don't have to soak your beans overnight or anything. This is a half a cup of rice and a quarter cup of beans, and so I'll cook it 20 minutes. I put the about a teaspoon of sesame oil, pure sesame oil, and I put the rice in there and kind of toasted it a little bit. And then I put in some teriyaki sauce, and I don't put any salt or pepper or anything in until after it's done. You don't really want to, if you put too much salt in there, you'll have salt water and your beans will be salty, mushy. So I tried this once, that's what happened. So I season afterwards. I've got some garlic sea salt in a grinder and some pepper and some sea salt and some crystal sauce, which is cayenne sauce, and that's the teriyaki sauce, and on from there. So it's Big Tom at the Big Tom's van, cooking rice and beans in the Instant Pot off of solar power. It's a cloudy, rainy day, and I still got about 12:08. I've made coffee this morning already. I'm down to about 89% of battery capacity, or 397 amp hours. I have 450 amp hours total. That's in another video probably. The Instant Pot will pull almost 750 watts heating up. Once it's hot and under pressure, it goes way down. It's only pulling 15 watts right now. So it's you're not constantly pulling. If you're using something that's heated a pan, it's going continuous heat. So you'll be pulling continuous power. You don't want to pull continuous power because you want the sunshine to build your batteries back up. So I'm not using a generator. I'm not plugged into shore power. This is purely off the batteries, the solar, the inverter, and there we go. Big Tom, the Big Tom's van, cooking in the Instant Pot. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell so you'll know that you'll be notified when I make another video. I hope this was helpful.